I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Verifying your account on Gate.io is essential for trading and accessing various features. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Create an account. Before changing your settings, use the eToro.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Check your email. After signing up, check your email for a verification link from Gate.io. Click on the link to confirm your email address. Step 3. Log into your account. Return to the Gate.io website and log in using your email and password. This will take you to your account dashboard. Step 4. Complete KYC verification. Navigate to the account section and select KYC verification. Fill out the required personal information and upload the necessary documents such as your ID. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your documents, wait for Gate.io to review and approve your KYC application. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Remember to double check that your ID is clear and legible when uploading. A blurry image can delay the process. Good luck with your verification, and happy trading.